Welcome to Thailand. It's November, the rainy season here on Koh Samui. Today, we'd like to show you a cozy and charming villa located in a lovely residence. Not many villas look good during the rainy season, but this one truly stands out thanks to its beautiful landscape design. It's simply stunning. The developer has also taken great care with drainage system, so your home will easily withstand even the heaviest rains. My name is Ksenia. Welcome to Thailand. Look at this lovely Sanee residence. It consists of only 7 villas, creating a cozy and private atmosphere. It's located in Lamai area where there is a consistently high demand for rentals all year round. In this location, our company manages more than 50 villas, so we know the rental market very well. We can confidently say that this villa can generate an ROI of 7.6%. Let's step inside and see why we choose this particular villa for our showcase. You open the enter door. You can enter directly from parking area or through the beautiful main door, finished with teak wood. And first what you see is a stunning garden that creates a sense of coziness and complete privacy. And what you simply can't miss is a magnificent large tree right on the plot. It looks amazing. Take a look how beautifully flower beds framed with natural stone. It seems like small detail, but not here. Even the area behind the villa is carefully landscaped with trees. Everything is truthfully arranged. The tiles, the different shades of stone, every element is done with taste. Now imagine this. You just come home during the heavy tropical rain. You park under the covered carport, unload your things, and walk straight into the villa, fully sheltered from the rain, so convenient and well designed. Before we step inside, where we have plenty to show you, take a look at the terrace. Notice there are no puddles. The developer has truthfully installed a proper drainage system. Now, let's go inside. The living room feels spacious and bright, designed in light tones, perfect for rental purposes. The kitchen is functional and features a stylish island. The wooden columns and decorative elements, combined with the lush of greenery outside, create this truly stunning atmosphere. Let me show you the bedrooms. It's cozy, isn't it? The wooden bed, wardrobe, bedside tables, and decorative elements. Everything here feels inviting and makes you want to come back to this home again and again. By the way, take a look to the smart storage spaces. It's practical idea what can be easily repeated in every bedroom. Each bedroom has its own private bathroom. So we've come to the end of our tour. We'd like to show you this villa during the rainy season and highlight how beautifully it stands out even now. Hopefully, we managed to do that. If you'd like more information about this villa, you can find contact details in video description. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us like and see you next time. Bye.